Hello friends, welcome to VTish Academy. Today in this presentation, we are going to solve an example on numerically greatest term in the binomial expansion. So let us find the numerically greatest term of the binomial term 4a minus 6b whole power 13 when a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. So first let us write over here the given binomial term 4a minus 6b whole power 13. So let us write this in the form of a standard notation 1 plus x whole power n. Now let us take 4a as a common factor. We get here 4a into 1 minus 6b divided by 4a whole power 13. On simplifying, we get here 2 times is 4 and 3 times is 6. So this would come as 4a whole power 13 into 1 minus 3b divided by 2a whole power 13. Now let us find the numerically greatest term of the term 1 minus 3b divided by 2a whole power 13. So we have the formula for the numerically greatest term, which is given by n plus 1 into mod x divided by 1 plus mod x. So by comparing 1 minus 3b divided by 2a whole power 13 with the standard binomial notation 1 plus x whole power n, we get the value of n as 13, x as minus 3b divided by 2a. So first let us find the value of mod x. We have here the value of x as minus 3 into b is given as 5 here. So let us substitute divided by 2 into the value of a is given as 3. So on simplifying, 3 and 3 get cancelled in the numerator and denominator and we get the value of mod x as minus 5 divided by 2. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. We get 13 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by 2 whole divided by 1 plus mod minus 5 divided by 2. That implies we get here 13 plus 1 as 14 into the value of minus 5 by 2 would come as 5 by 2, as any negative value which is enclosed in the modulus will give a positive value. Whole divided by 1 plus mod minus 5 by 2 would come as 5 divided by 2. So on multiplying here numerators, 14 into 5 we get 70 divided by 2 whole divided by taking here LCM as 2 we get here 2 plus 5 which would come as 7. So we can cancel over here 2 and 2 in the numerator and denominator, and by simplifying we get 7 one time is 7 and 7 10 times is 70. That implies we get here the value as 10, which is nothing but m. So we observe that here m is an integer. So we have two numerically greatest terms. The first term is tm, which is nothing but t10, and the second term is tm plus 1, which would be t10 plus 1. So first let us find the value of t10. So we can write t10 as t9 plus 1, and in order to find the value of t9 plus 1, we have the formula tr plus 1 is equal to ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. So let us substitute the values in this formula. We get here 13c9 into x, which is nothing but 4a whole power 13 minus 9 into y power r, which is nothing but minus 6b whole power 9. Now let us substitute here the values of a and b. So we get here 13c9 into 4 into a, which is nothing but 3 whole power 13 minus 9 is 4 into minus 6 into the value of b is here 5 whole power 9. Therefore we get the value of t9 plus 1 as 13c9 into 4 3 times would come as 12 whole power 4, and by multiplying minus 6 into 5 we get here minus 30 whole power 9. Now let us find the value of t10 plus 1 by using the same formula. So on replacing the values we get 13c, our value is here 10. So let us write here 10 into 4 into a, which is nothing but 3 whole power 13 minus 10 into we have the value of y as minus 6 into b, and by substituting the value of b as 5 we get minus 6 into 5 whole power 10. So therefore we get this as 13c10 into 4 3 times would come as 12 whole power 3. By multiplying 6 into 5 we get 30 whole power 10. And here as we have even power for the negative sign, it becomes positive. So this was a basic introduction on numerically greatest term in the binomial expansion. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on binomial theorem on our website vtishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.